guys, I'm on here real quick to show you some of the colors I have left of my sweet extensions. If you follow me, you would know that I'm trying to go out of business and sell all of my extensions. I'm trying to also find out the prices I have on these, but I'm waiting for some people to get on here and I'm going to show you what I have left. Let's see. So let's just wait a second till we get more people on here. This is the first live video I've done on here. But I've got several colors left that I want to show. They're marked super low. They are marked lower than like wholesale right now. Let's see. Okay. I'm going to show the colors I have left. The first color I have is the number 2, which is a dark brown. I have that in the 110. It's a real dark brown shade. I'm going to take them out of the package a little bit to show it a little better. But as you can see, that is the shade. Really dark, really pretty shade of brown. And I have that in 110 grams. That's the set that you would need if you have thin to medium hair. And another color I have is the 1B in the 110 grams. And it is, I called it off black because it's not the deepest black, but it is very close. Has a little tint of brown to it. All the extensions that are 110 grams, hi Tori, are $50 right now, plus free shipping. So if you are interested in that, please check it out, because you're not going to find a lower price on real human hair extensions like this. You just will not find a lower price. And then they're marked lower than what I paid for them wholesale. So, okay. And this color is the 20-inch, number 30, and it's 110 grams. This one is a pretty auburn shade, a very pretty shade, auburn. And I think I only have a few of these left. I actually need to add these back to the website because I took them off because I didn't think I have any left, and so I need to put those back. But isn't that such a pretty shade? These are the auburn. And again, these are $50 for real human hair that you can curl. You can darken the extensions. I wouldn't recommend lightening them because they've already been processed. So this is the 110 gram, 20-inch long, number 1. This is the darkest black that I have. It's a real deep shade of black. I have a few of these left. And this is the deepest black I have. The other color I have in the 160 grams, and I like to call this my Ariel hair because it reminds me of Ariel from Little Mermaid. But this one, I can't remember what color I call this one. This is actually like a really pretty, like, I don't know, I call it mermaid hair color. It's copper ginger is what I called it on the website, but it's a very pretty shade, and I have not sold very many of these. I guess not that many people have this color hair, but I always think it looks like a Little Mermaid. It's really pretty. So there's that pretty shade. And this is the only one I think I have left in the 160 grams. And this one is $60. It's the 160 grams. It's a thicker set. And I also have this 110 gram set of number 6, which is a chestnut brown. They're all 20 inches long. And like I said, my website, the shipping is free. You just pay for them. The 110 grams are $50, and 160 gram, the only one I have left, is $60. Did I say that right? These are $50. But I'm really trying to get rid of them. This is my last year that I'm going to be open, and I have several colors left, and those are the only colors I have left. Totally out of blonde. The blonde is sold out. So I'm really hoping you guys will check it out. It's HTTP. Okay, you already know that part. www.sweetextensions.com. I just felt like Donald Trump right there with my hand, but anyways. Hey, Kyla. Check out the website and please share this and spread the word because I'm really wanting to get rid of all these extensions. Thank you guys so much for watching.